Namaskar, I am Arvind Kumar Singh from Brain Booster School, Varanasi. Today I will explain general flag method. This method is also known as direct flag method. Direct flag method is a general method of Vedic mathematics is used to carry division of any type of numbers. Listen the steps be carefully and learn direct flag method. Today I will give a example in detail. Example is 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 12. Dividend is 1, 2, 3, 4 and divisor is 12. Split divisor 12 in two parts 1 and 2 where division will be carried using only one new divisor and 2 is called as flag. As flag is single digit split dividend in two parts such that second part will have same number as that of flag, that is one digit. Flag is two part of dividend 1, 2, 3 and 4. Process, see the example for each step. Division of 1 by 1, q equal to 1 and r equal to 0. Write q and carry forward. R equal to 0 written in white under and between 1 and 2. Multiply the new quotient 1 with the flag 2 and subtract this product from 0 to each 0. Follow some above process. So multiply new quotient 0 with flag 2 and subtract this product from 0, 3 each 3 and divide this subtraction by 1. It gives q equal to 3 and r equal to 0. Carry forward r equal to 0. For remainder we carry same process except we don't divide, that is multiply and subtract. So multiply new quotient 3 with flag 2 and subtract this product from 0, 4 get minus 2. As we get negative subtraction, we reduce the quotient by 1 and increase the remainder by the first multiplier of new multiplier 1 into 1 equal to 1. So new quotient equal to 2 and new remainder is 1. We carry this method till we don't have negative subtraction. Now multiply the new quotient 2 with flag 2 and subtract this product from 14 equal to 10 positive and put it down as it is. So final answer is quotient 102 and remainder 10. Thank you. Next example for you. Example 2. Divide 1, 5, 6, 2, 3 divided by 1, 2, 3. In this question, dividend equal to 1, 5, 6, 2, 3 and divisor is 1, 2, 3. We split divisor 1, 2, 3 in two parts. First part is 1 and second part is 23 where division will be carried using only one new divisor and 23 is carried as flag. As flag is double digits split dividend in two parts such that second part will have same digits as that of flag is 2 digits. You are seeing on screen new divisor is 1 and flag is 23. First part of dividend is 156 and second part of dividend is 23. Rule 1. We carry out the same process except one change as flag is 2 digit. Whenever we need to do subtraction, we subtract the cross multiplication of two latest quotient digits with the flag, that is if flag equal to AB and new quotient equal to CD, then subtract AD plus BC. Rule 2. If we have only one digit in the quotient, which happens only in starting step, then we do multiply with the first digit of flag. Third rule, it has different way of calculating remainder. Remainder subtract in bracket 10 bracket cross multiplication of flag AB and latest quotient CD plus latest quotient CD plus last digit multiplication of AB and CD. Now see and listen be carefully. Process. First division of 1 by 1 give quotient 1 and remainder 0. Carry forward r equal to 0. Multiply the new quotient 1 with the first part of flag 2 and according to above second rule and subtract this product from 0.05 equal to 3 and divide this subtraction by 1, it gives q equal to 3 and r equal to 0. Carry forward r equal to 0. Now cross multiply according to first rule, mu q 13 with flag 23 and subtract this product 9 from 0.6 equal to -3. This is negative. Since it negative, reduce the quotient by 1 and increase the remainder by first multiplier 1. So mu q equal to 2 and mu r equal to 1. Cross multiply mu q 12 with flag 23 and subtract the product 7 from 16 equal to 9 and divide this by 1, giving q equal to 9 and remainder 0. Carry out similar process to get till you reach calculation for remainder. Remainder 223 minus in bracket 10 in bracket 6 plus 14 bracket close plus 21 equal to 223 minus in bracket 200 plus 21 equal to 2. Final answer q equal to 127 and r equal to 2. According to this rule, you can find decimal division. Thank you.